Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we're going to explore something truly fascinating: how to make a complete AI survival documentary for free, with no watermark and unlimited usage. Yes, you can now create cinematic, realistic survival documentaries entirely with the help of AI tools. Before we begin, let's have a look at the video generated.
Far out in the vastness of the South Atlantic Ocean lies a place so remote that it is often called the most isolated inhabited island on Earth. A dot of green, surrounded by endless blue. Tristan da Cunha. Located roughly halfway between South Africa.
As you can see, this AI-generated survival documentary looks absolutely stunning, filled with cinematic visuals, lifelike narration, and a dramatic storytelling tone. In this video, we will learn exactly how to generate this type of AI video from start to finish. So let's get started.
First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. If you're not already logged in, log in using your email or Google account. Once you're inside, type the following prompt. Create 20 different unique ideas for YouTube videos similar to these. Life at -71°C. Life at Amazon forest. Life at a high-temperature desert. I need the ideas in the form of video titles. Now, hit the Submit button. ChatGPT will now generate a list of unique video title ideas similar to survival and nature documentaries. You might see ideas like Life at the Deep Ocean Floor, Surviving the Arctic Blizzards, Life in a Volcanic Island, or Humans at the Edge of the World. These are all fascinating topics you can choose from. From the list, select one idea that you find most interesting. I'll choose this idea for our video. Now, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed script for that selected idea. Simply type, "Write the full documentary script for," and then paste the selected video title after it. For example, write the full documentary script for Life at the Deep Ocean Floor. ChatGPT will now generate a complete documentary-style script with narration, scene transitions, and storytelling tone. Once the script is ready, carefully read through it. If you like the tone, copy the entire script. Now, open another browser tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link that takes you to aistudio.google.com. If you're not signed in, click on Sign in with Google account. Once you are logged in, you'll see several AI options available on the home screen. Click on Generate Native Speech with Gemini. This tool will allow you to convert your text into realistic, studio-quality voiceovers. Next, click on Single Speaker Audio. In the Style instruction box, type Documentary Tone. Now, paste the copied script from ChatGPT into the main text box. Below that, you will notice a list of voices available for generation. Each voice has its own style, depth, and tone. You can click on the preview button beside each voice to listen and decide which one fits your survival documentary the best. For a serious cinematic tone, pick a deep, natural-sounding voice that sounds similar to National Geographic or Discovery Channel narration. I will choose this particular voice for my project. Once you've made your selection, click on the Run button to generate the audio. Wait for a few moments while Google AI Studio processes your input. Once the audio is generated, you can preview it directly on the page.
Far out in the vastness of the South Atlantic Ocean lies a place so remote that it is often called the most isolated inhabited island on Earth.
If it sounds perfect, click the Download button and save the audio file to your computer. This will be our main narration track for the documentary. Now that we have the script and voiceover ready, it's time to generate visuals for our documentary. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you prompts for videos. For example, type "Give me video generation prompts" for each paragraph of the documentary script. ChatGPT will then create separate visual prompts that describe each scene in detail, such as the environment, lighting, camera movement, and mood. All these prompts are also provided in the description of this video for your convenience. Once you have the video prompts ready, open a new browser tab and search for Meta AI. Click on the official Meta AI link and log in using your Google account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, click on the plus icon and select the Create button. A new creation panel will open. Set the aspect ratio of your video to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Once that's done, click the Submit button to generate the base image. Meta AI will create 4 different images based on your prompt. Take a moment to preview them. Choose the image that looks the best and fits your documentary scene. Once you've selected your image, click on the Custom Animate button. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the specific video prompt for that scene. Return to Meta AI, paste the copied video prompt into the text box, and click the Animate button. The AI will now bring your still image to life by creating smooth camera movements, environmental motion, and cinematic effects. After a short wait, your animated scene will be ready. Preview the animation. If you like how it looks, click the Download button to save the video clip onto your computer. If you feel the animation could be improved, you can adjust the prompt slightly and regenerate until you get the perfect result. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining scenes of your documentary. For each paragraph or section of your script, generate a separate video clip using the prompts. This will give you multiple short clips that together will form your full AI-generated documentary. Once all the clips are generated, it's time to combine them with your narration audio. For this, we will use an editing software called Shotcut, which is completely free and available for download. Go to shotcut.org, download the software, and install it on your computer. Once Shotcut opens, drag and drop all the video clips and the audio file that we generated earlier into the timeline. Arrange the clips according to the narration. Listen to the voiceover carefully and place each video segment at the right point in the audio. You can trim, cut, or extend the clips to match perfectly with the narration timing. Add simple transitions between clips if needed, such as fade-ins or fade-outs, to make the final video look smooth and professional. Once all your editing is complete and you are satisfied with the preview, click on the Export button in Shotcut. Choose your desired format, preferably MP4, and click Export File. The rendering process will take a few minutes depending on your system speed. Once done, your final AI-generated survival documentary video will be ready on your computer, completely AI-generated, high quality, and without any watermark. Now it's time to take a look at the final video generated.
Far out in the vastness of the South Atlantic Ocean lies a place so remote that it is often called the most isolated inhabited island on Earth. A dot of green, surrounded by endless blue. Tristan da Cunha. Located roughly halfway between South Africa and South America, this tiny volcanic island stands as a living time capsule, a world almost untouched by modern chaos. No airports, no shopping malls, no traffic. Just a few hundred people living quietly in one of the most peaceful yet isolated corners of our planet. In a world that's constantly rushing forward, how has this small community managed to preserve such a simple, enduring way of life? And what is it truly like to live in a place where the outside world is a 6-day boat journey away?
As you can see, it looks cinematic, engaging, and completely realistic. The AI voice matches perfectly with the visuals, and the overall storytelling feels professional and immersive. This is how you can make an AI survival documentary for free, without any watermark, and without limitations. All it takes is a few creative prompts, and the combination of ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, Meta AI, and Shotcut will do the rest. You can use this method to create multiple documentaries on survival, nature, space, wildlife, or even human history and publish them on your YouTube channel. This technique can help you build a full content library of AI-generated documentaries without spending money on equipment, voice artists, or footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more tutorials on AI tools and creative content generation. Thank you for watching Vision Academy. We'll see you in the next video.